Back of it. We called that game. That game was over at half time because 𝘄𝗵𝘁𝗶𝗸𝗲 are pretty stamp.
Oh, producer there. Oh, yeah. What about what? Are you trying to get some TV?
You doing again?
What the fuck, bro?
Too try.
And it was proven that I was right. So.
Yes. Well, someone on the breakfast team, not named 𝘄𝗵𝘁, had other things to say about it. This is what we said this morning. That might sound like a big win, a big victory for Frank.
Got him. Speeding.
Into my soul, get out of my way, get out of my way. Australia's largest $40 million jackpot dropping every 3 minutes. Now's your chance to play.
Fucking hell.
What?
That kid almost fucking wiped out. That bite.
Will be his last year in charge of the Panthers. And Storm winger 𝘄𝗵𝘁𝗶𝗸𝗲 says he thinks they can string a few wins together after snapping a 7-game losing streak over the weekend. Vic Russ is just trying to...
Look at this. Replated. Just went straight through a red light.
Melbourne takes on Parramatta on Saturday night. Some restaurants have...
Teacher friends came in and they were like talking. It was like, oh, what are you doing? It was like, oh, I'm giving like.
tonight talking about Callum. The loss to the Titans, he had 16 runs, 132 run meters. That's low. That's poor. What about the week before that though, against the Dolphins, which they had good victory, which he was busy in, 22 runs for over 200 meters. And then that goes with try assists, line break assists, and opportunities on the back of it.
We called that game. That game was over at half time because 𝘂𝗵𝗁𝗃 had put his stamp on it. He had 3 try assists and 3 line break assists by half time. The game was over.
Yeah. And so that depends, again, that's why it goes down to this player. That Newcastle are a very good side, very...
Wih, gago. Tanga.
Translate, and you can suck my dick if you don't like my shit. Cause I was high when I wrote this, so suck my dick. 2 pills I pop till my pupils fill up like 2 pennies. I'm Clint Eastwood in his mid-20s, a young ass man with a track.
Going, buddy. Oh, dude! What are they?
Hell, man! Are you fucking... Get off the road! Move! Get off the road! Get off the road! Move! You fucking stupid!